Let's run through the Franke A600 cleaning cycle. The cleaning cycle is an important part of the machine's maintenance and uses cleaning solution and cleaning tablets to thoroughly clean the machine. The clean should be performed daily to maintain the machine's hygiene and performance. To begin the cleaning cycle, open the fridge door and remove the milk container. Take your blue cleaning jug with the suction hose and insert it into the machine. And close the fridge door. The screen will now show a prompt asking if you want to start the cleaning cycle. Select yes. First, we're going to clean the Brew unit or Brew module. This is one of the hardest working parts of the machine. Open the door by pressing the silver button on the top. Take your red Franke cleaning brushes and scrub the top of the piston head with the larger of the brushes. Take your long-handled black cleaning brush and brush the rest of the Brew unit. Leave the grounds container in to catch any loose grinds that might fall. When you've finished cleaning the Brew unit, leave the door open and select Next. Remove the grounds container and empty your grinds into your grinds recycling bin. If there are any built-up grinds, give it a good clean with warm soapy water and dry off. While that's drying, brush out any loose grounds from the machine using the long-handled black brush. Be careful not to brush any loose whole beans into the drip tray as they can cause blockages. The screen will now prompt you to clean the mixer chamber. For our customers, feel free to skip this step and select Next, as we will do this at your next scheduled maintenance visit. For everyone else, remove the mixer chamber by gently removing the powder dosing hose. Make sure to pull away from the mixer chamber in a straight line. Push the red locking handle counterclockwise towards the door to release. Wriggle the plastic mixer chamber off in the same direction as the hose. The chamber consists of two pieces which pull apart. These can build up with chocolate and chai powders. Wash both pieces with warm soapy water. You'll also want to clean the agitator with one of the red brushes. Pick whichever size works best. To reinsert the mixer chamber, replace the lid, ensure the locking mechanism is turned anti-clockwise towards the door, and then push the mixer chamber back into place. Now, turn the locking mechanism clockwise and reattach the exit hose. Select Next on the screen. If you haven't already, reinsert the grounds container and close the door. You'll now be prompted to clean the spout, the drip grid, and the drip tray. First, remove the spout. The best way to do this is by holding the spout in one hand, and with your other hand, press the buttons on either side and gently pull down. There should be two pieces, the spout insert and a rubber frother. Once cleaned, shake dry and reassemble the two pieces before reinserting into the machine. There should be a small click when back in place. Remove the drip grid and wash with warm soapy water. It can also be put through the dishwasher. Clean your drip tray with either the long-handled black brush or, for more stubborn stains, a sponge and warm soapy water. Once complete, replace the drip grid and grab your Franke cleaning tablets. Now insert a Franke cleaning tablet into the chute at the top of the machine and press Next. The machine will now commence its automatic cleaning cycle. This takes approximately 13 minutes. You can leave the machine unattended during this time and come back once it's done. Please be careful while the machine is cleaning itself. There's a risk of scalding from the hot water and steam. Now that the cleaning cycle is complete, the screen will prompt you to remove the blue cleaning container and replace the milk container. Once the milk has been inserted, click Confirm on the screen. The home screen will appear, and now the machine is clean and ready to be used. And that's all you need to know about how to perform the cleaning cycle for your Franke A600 FM coffee machine.